Hey, what is going on guys, Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Honor View 10 and the Pixel 2, so let's get started. On the fingerprint unlocking, they look very similar, but if you slow down the video, the View 10 was slightly faster, however that is negligible. Okay, as you can see, there are no apps running in the background. And we will be starting off with the camera app. And they look as though they started at the same time. Okay, we got Chrome, and the website that I will be using will be The Verge. I'll speed up the video here. And we're in the website, and it looks like the Pixel 2 loaded up the advert slightly faster. Scrolling down, it doesn't look like any of them loaded up the thumbnail, so I'll be going to Amazon UK now. And they loaded up at the same time here. Moving on to Hot UK Deals, and they opened up at the same time. Let's just scroll down and scroll back up. Next is Adobe Photoshop. Just going to load up the same photo here, and they loaded up at the same time. Microsoft Word. The View 10 was slightly faster. YouTube. Okay, the View 10 again was slightly faster. I'll load up one of my videos, and they are playing at the same time. Next up is Asphalt Extreme. They look quite similar at this time. Okay, the Pixel 2, yep, the Pixel 2 started slightly faster. I'll leave that running in the background. Moving on to Super Mario Run. And it's ready to be played on the View 10 first. And they opened up pretty much at the same time. Skyforce. Okay, the logo came up slightly faster on the View 10. Yep, once again, and I'll speed up the video. Okay, the game is fully loaded up, and I'll let it run in the background. Sonic Forces. And it's faster on the View 10. Spider-Man Unlimited. And that was insanely fast on the View 10. And the last game, Temple Run 2. Okay, the Pixel 2 has the slight edge here. Yep, it does. And I'll open it up and let it run in the background. Time for the rerun, starting off with the camera, and it was faster on the View 10. Google Chrome, and there is a delay on the Pixel 2, like a slight refresh. Hot UK Deals, again slower on the Pixel 2. Photoshop, and the Pixel 2 had to reload the photo. Microsoft Word, faster on the View 10. YouTube. Okay, so it loaded up fast on the View 10, however the Pixel 2 continued playing the video. Asphalt Extreme, the View 10 has it in RAM, whereas the Pixel 2 had to restart the game. Super Mario Run, same again here, had to restart the game on the Pixel 2. Skyforce, reloading on the Pixel 2. Sonic Forces, okay, so both of the phones are playing the game. Spider-Man Unlimited, okay, the Pixel 2 had to restart the game again. Temple Run 2, and the Pixel 2 had to restart the game. Overall, the Pixel 2 suffered quite a bit in this rerun. Moving on to the Geekbench 4 test, both of these devices are on the latest update at the time of this recording, and I'll cut this video short so we can get straight to the results. The Honor View 10 finished at 4 minutes and 1 second, with the Pixel 2 2 seconds behind. The Honor View 10 has done very well with its Kirin 970 processor, keeping up with the Snapdragon 835. Although they have different processors, the scores are relatively the same. And the last test, which is the compute test, and I will be speeding up the video here to get straight to the results. So the View 10 finished slightly faster again, however the score is higher than the Pixel 2. No doubt the 2 gigs extra RAM did help the View 10 to take the win here. It's a shame the Pixel 2 did come with only 4 gigs of RAM. So that does it for this speed test comparison. I will be having more videos like this coming up. If you want to see scores side by side, do let me know in the comments below. Like always, if you enjoyed this video, please hit thumbs up. If it's your first time here, then please do subscribe, as I've got more content coming up. Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.